Alright, so continuing in the Assembly Series videos, going to now make an assembly from scratch using parts that we have here. So let's grab this box here. Okay, and let's say I want to use a spreader bracket. Now this one's not on the toolbar just yet, but it will be available on the toolbar. So when you bring in not the wings, this one here, so bring in telescoping bracket, and it automatically has the glider. So it's this one here, ZNE-CE Caddy telescoping bracket PECE-P1. Okay, set those both at the same offset, let's say 4 foot for example, and go back to our 3D view. Okay, that's this guy here. So now you can see it's inside the scope box. It allows me to select all the multiple parts. We need to turn off crop view section box for a second. Let's try that again. Box connector. Okay, so now snap center. Okay, we put the box connector on there. We'll set the box connector to a 3/4 inch. Okay, and looking at this, we have now a connector box and a glider bracket. And let's put on a double gang mud ring set to 5/8. Okay, take that same view, turn on section box. Now you can grab everything here and follow the same steps from the previous video, and it'll automatically keep that prefix, so box type 2. Go down here to box type 2. There it is. Now when you select this, create views, keep our same settings, and you'll notice the only thing that really needs to be adjusted is the schedule, but I'm going to do a little variation to the schedule on this one. So we'll pull in our 3D view and our schedule, and I'm just going to double click this and I'll deal with the format right now. Okay, so let's go to fields again, subcategory, add, description, add, and then guess we can do unit of measure. Let's add unit of measure. Go to filter, subcategory, does not equal, filter, sorting by unit of measure, say OK. Okay, and we'll hide these sections we don't want. And for your fields, let's move this one up. Okay, and so there's going to be a couple variations of this thing here I'm going to show you. So let's say, for example, that we want, okay, so we have these counts, but let's say, for example, I want to add a note. So if I go to my fields here and I go to comments and I add comments, I have sections here, but you see I can't edit the comments right now because this is an actual grouping. So the way we can do that, let's go back to this view, click Edit Assembly. We can select this part here, and now you can see comments is something I can fill out. So let's say paint red, for example. Okay, so we said paint red. That's a special note. Click Finish. Go back to your schedule and look at that. It says paint red. Back to your sheet view. Take this. Oh. Make sure you grab the schedule. Get that out like that. And now you have a special comment in there on the box. You can do this with pretty much, you know, comments is pretty much the freest range deal you can do in there. Okay.